Here's how we're gonna do this, Scott. Step 1, you're not gonna like this. Fasting. When you stop eating for stretches of time, your body turns inward, burning stored fuel and breaking down damaged cells. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your system. Step 2, gut lining repair. During fasting, you want to strengthen your gut lining. We're going to do this with spirulina, chlorella, and L-glutamine. Next is step 3, micronutrient support, liposomal glutathione, milk, thistle, turmeric, and B-complex. Your body needs vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to run its detox pathways. Step 4, cardio. Sweat is the first exit route for your toxins. When your heart rate rises, blood flow improves. Your body actually shuttles chemicals out through the skin and breath and starts to attack that storage of toxins. Now we're ready for step 5, gut binding. Now we're taking the trash out. This helps your body bag it up and throw it out. It's a miracle mixture of psyllium husk and chia seeds. Step 6, heat. Infrared saunas help purge volatile compounds, PFAS, and endocrine disruptors, the chemical exhaust fumes of modern life. And with sweat, your pores become tiny tailpipes, venting that waste away. And one more thing, this is very important, Scott. Hydrate. Step 7, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli. They flip on your liver's phase 2 detox pathways, the body's natural cleanup crew. Think of them like scrubbing brushes for your cells. And finally, the move most people don't see coming, blood donation. It's literally one of the best ways to get rid of PFAS in the blood.